If you are unsure how to subtract values in Google Sheets, then let me help you. In this simple example, I have revenue column, cost column, and I want to calculate profit. How can I calculate profit? I need to deduct cost from the revenue cell. So I will use the formula subtraction formula. Start with equal to. First select this revenue cell, then minus, then select this cell, press enter. So when you press enter, it will deduct the cost from the revenue. Now there are a couple of methods to copy down the formula. First is hover the mouse on this circle and plus sign appear and just drag from the bottom and it will copy the formula for me. Control Z to go back. The second is just double click on this circle and it will copy down the formula for me. Did you notice one thing? So it's showing the error here in this cell. Why is showing error? Because there is no numeric in this cell. It's showing AA, which is alphabet. So what I want, if I come across those instances, I want formula to return me 0. So I will use if error formula along with deduction formula. Well, I'll go to this formula first cell and then I will press F2. It will show me the formula in edit form. Now I will start with if error start of bracket. You can see this formula and I'll start another bracket. First, I will close this bracket for deduction formula and then press comma and now the result 0. If error formula will see if there are any errors appearing, then it will return the value as a 0. Close of bracket, press enter. So when I press enter and just drag from the bottom, so you can see now it's returning me 0 because there was an alphabet in this cell. So this is how you can use the deduction formula and if error formula along with deduction or any other formula. Hit the like button if you like this video.